In this video, I'll show you how to add stickers that you already saved to photos, to new photos. So I open the gallery app this is for Samsung Galaxy, and I open the gallery app. I find one picture where I want to add stickers to, and to add stickers, you have to go into the edit mode, tap on the pencil there, and here you have lots of options, but that face with a pencil, and then you have the stickers option. Here you have all the stickers you saved on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone, and these are the ones I saved earlier, and you can resize the sticker, you can rotate them, you can do many things, you can even add effects to them, you can save new stickers if you want. These stickers, I created them earlier, and you can really do this easily from other pictures. This is a way to combine photos to make something interesting. So I add multiple stickers here. You can add even rotating this one. So it's really up to you how many stickers you want, and you can save the photo, and now the photo is saved. So this picture now is together, it's combined with stickers, but I can revert this. I can remove the stickers if I wanted to, but also you can share this picture as it is. There is also an option to revert the photo to the original, so you remove the stickers. I hope this helps you add stickers to your photos and sharing your photos with stickers. Thanks for watching.